Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Tamara's Hair Care. If you are new here, welcome, and please remember to subscribe and join our hair care family. We are on the journey for longer, thicker, and healthier hair. In this case, I am Relax. If you do not know, I am Relax, and I'm currently stretching my relaxer. Okay, so guys, oh, you must be wondering why am I wearing gloves? It's because I have really bad sweaty hands. My hands literally drip water, okay, literally. So whenever I need to deal with my hair and my hand is sweating, I cause breakage. So I like to wear a gloves so I do not, my wetty hand doesn't really touch my hair. I was wearing braids for a little over a month, and then I cornrow my hair. Oh, that's my daughter, guys. Say hi. Say hi. So what was I saying again? I totally forgot what I was saying. So yeah, so that's why I'm wearing the gloves. I was saying, yes, I was wearing cornrows. I loosed them out and I detangled my hair, and now I need to get my hair washed. My hair is extremely dirty. I can't tell you guys how dirty my hair is right now. So before I wash my hair, I want to do a little length check with you guys, as well as a lot of people. I saw where I get some comments, people asking me what's the porosity of my hair. I have never ever done a porosity test before. So I've been wanting to do it because I saw a lot of people asking. And I have been wanting to do it, but I just never get around to doing that video for you guys. So I'm like, I was gonna wash my hair. My hair is out. I'm like, okay, let me just do this video for you guys so we can, I can find out what the porosity of my hair, and you can find out too, to see if we both has the same, and maybe product that works for me will works for you. So the difference is my hair is relaxed, and I have natural roots and relaxed ends. Okay, so I'm gonna use a piece of the natural roots and a piece of the relaxed end to do two testing and see what's the difference. Okay, I'm so sorry guys. So if you guys been following me, you know my history with my hair and my hair care journey, where a few months ago I used the mild organic and it damaged my hair severely, causing me to cut and start over my hair care journey. So this is my hair now. I am officially, let's see how many months post relaxer I am. I am 10 months post relaxer. 10 months post relaxer. And reason being why I have been stretching my relaxer for this long is because my hair was severely damaged, and I wanted to like give my hair a little TLC to help restore it and treat, like to help restore and repair my damaged hair. And I have been doing a lot of DIYs, and I've been using my aloe vera and rosemary growth oil, as I also tried the onion oil, and those two oils, I'm telling you, they are the game changer in growing back my hair. I think I can officially say, I'm gonna let you guys be the judge of it as well, that my hair has grown a lot. Like I have so much new growth. If you guys seen my wash day routine video, you guys will see when my hair is wet the amount of new growth. She's not giving me a chance. The amount of new growth that I have. Okay, I have so much new growth, and I cannot wait to get my relaxer. I'll be getting a relaxer very soon, very soon. I just haven't set the date as yet, but it's time. It's time, baby, it's time. She's like so jealous whenever I'm giving other things attention. She gets so jealous and she just wants my attention. Yes, mommy hair is dirty. Okay, dirty hair. Dirty hair? Yes, it's dirty. Mama? Yes, baby. Dirty hair. Yes. Dirty. It's dirty, mama. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do a little length check. What I'm gonna do, it's not like a really official length check. We just want to check it to see where it falls on my body. So let's go with here. Let's see. My hair is not stretched, so you're not going to see the full length or the real length. And this is on top of my breast. Like, if you guys can see that, it's right here. That's the front. Let's go in. Okay, I kind of take her to her room because she's not giving me a chance, guys. So this is around the back. We're gonna see. So here is on top of my breast as well. But when I get my relaxer, I will do a length check, a real length check, so you guys can see. And I'm also going to get my hair cut after my relaxer as well, just to make sure I get rid of any little split ends or damaged ends that I have. So yeah, but let me know what you guys think. How is it going? I think it's going very good, guys. Let's go ahead and do the porosity test. I'm pronouncing it right? Porosity. Yeah, but first let's figure out what is porosity. Let's go Google. Let's get our Google. Listen, I need this because I don't know what this is. I heard about it, I know about it, but I never really take the interest in it. Okay, so Google says porosity is a measurement of the hair ability to absorb and hold moisture. It can also be described as the indicator of how easily moisture can penetrate the hair. Hair porosity is largely determined by genetics, but can also be altered by external factors such as heat and chemical processing. My hair is chemically processed, the ends, and the roots are natural. So I will say I have two different type or two different texture here going on right now. So that's why we're going to do the test where I test the roots as well as the ends to see what the porosity of my hair is currently. All right, so let's figure out how to do it now. Let's ask Google, how do we do this testing? I keep watching my daughter because I can see her from her room and I don't want her to disturb me right now. How to do a porosity test. How to do a porosity test. I hope I'm pronouncing this thing right. I think I am. Okay, so here it says, here it is. It says, take some strands of hair from your brush or comb. Be sure to use clean hair as products can alter the results. And drop them into a glass of water. Let them sit for a few minutes, and if the strands float after the time is up, you likely have low porosity hair. If it sinks, the hair is likely to be high porosity. All right, so if it float, it's low porosity. If it sink, it's high porosity. All right, so I'm gonna get some hair from my brush. So I just detangled my hair, and this is what I got out after detangling my hair. So I'm gonna take a strand from the detangle here, and this is going to be the relaxed end. So we're going to do the relaxed ends. We're going to do the relaxed ends first. So it says if it float, it's low porosity, and if it sink, it's high porosity. So let's drop it in. Okay, this here has been stubborn. It doesn't want to go into the cup. I don't know why. Okay, it's in the cup. Okay, wait, let me change the angle of the camera. Wait, because I don't think you guys can see this. Guys, so the hair is in the water. Let me see, you guys can see that, right? It's right here. It's actually, it looks like it's about to sink. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I think it's right here. I think it said to give it a few minutes. So let's give it a few minutes to see what's going to happen, if it's going to stay afloat or if it's going to sink down the bottom. I think some of it is floating, it's sinking. Look, there is down the bottom right here. There is the strand, it's down here. You see that? I think it's sinking because some is floating and some is sink. So let's give it a few. I think it's already gone. It hasn't gone a minute yet, but let's watch and see. So guys, I'm not sure what's going on, but I feel like the two ends are sink, but the middle is floating. You see that? So I don't know what's going on. I don't know what does this mean. Like, what does it mean? It's been over a minute now, and this is what it's doing. Some sink and some is floating. So the two ends, this is way down to the bottom. And then you have the middle here floating on top, and then the ends here is sink as well. So does this mean I have a mixture like in between? I don't know. I know that I have different texture here, in the sense that my natural texture there, it's not the same. Like some part of my hair is looser than some part is really tight curls or kinky curls, and some parts a little looser. Like the middle will be a little looser, but around my head it's, and the front it's like more tighter. So I'm not sure. And this is the relax hair. I don't know what this means. Maybe it's a mixture, but I don't think it's going to move from here though. I think, okay guys, so here I have my natural texture here. This is the roots. I got this. This is like my natural hair texture. So we're gonna drop it into the water and see. I'm gonna leave the relaxed one in the water as well and just see like what does both of them do. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna drop that in and see what happens. Okay, so the relaxed part is in and it's literally sinking. Not the relaxed, the natural part, the natural. It's sinking, guys. Well, it's coming back up. It can't seem to make up its mind. This is so weird. Can you guys see it? Oh, wait. Can you guys see it? Like, wait. I'm literally lying on the floor so I can get a good view. Guys, this is so weird. It's literally floating now. It was sinking and then it came back up. Like, it's not sinking. It was sinking and then it just stopped. It just came back to the top. See that? It's right here. It's just it just like up top. You see that? It's not sinking. It's literally floating. It's not going down. So we have part of the relaxed end, the relaxed one, part of it sink, a part is floating, and for the natural texture, it's floating. I hope you guys can see this good. Like, I'm trying my very best to get a good shot of what's going on here. Maybe if I put it out a little further. It's so weird. It can't seem to make up its mind. So you see where the relax here is right here, and this is my natural texture right here. So what is it doing? What is that? It's swimming and you see that? I don't know. It's literally floating. So what does, I guess that I have low porosity here. There, I would say the relax here is in between low and high, so it's like it's in the middle, because it see like it's kind of sinking right here, like it's sink right here, but like some is up top and some is sinking, while the natural texture is literally floating. So this is low porosity here, and the relax one is in between. That would be my conclusion. So what do you guys think? Comment down below, tell me what you guys think, because I don't know. What do you guys think? I would love for you guys to do a test at home as well and let me know your results. Okay guys, so I did it, you guys see, and I don't know, like my natural texture, it floats. It was first when I drop it in, it was on top, and then when it's finally like into the water, then it starts sinking, then it came back up immediately. So it was confused, itself is confused. And then for my relaxed ends now, some part float, and like the two ends float, and the middle was, the two ends sink, sorry, the two ends sink and the middle was floating. So it's like confused itself, like they're all confused. So I would say the relaxed part, it's in between, and the natural texture is low porosity, and the relaxed ends is in between. So I don't know, guys. Do the test at home and comment down below, let me know. It's really quick, it's really easy. If it's float, it's low porosity. If it's sink, it's high porosity. Okay, so do the test at home, comment down below, let me know what your porosity is. I will say my relaxed ends is in between, it's on the borderline. As Shivada would say, I'm on the borderline. It's on the borderline. Well, the natural texture, it's floating, so it's low porosity. All right. So anyway, guys, I hope that video was helpful. Like, I hope, like, I don't even know what, like, I didn't even know how to make this video, to be honest with you. I just jump on camera and I'm like let's do this together. So you guys just go get your water, let's do it together. Get your water, and we'll figure it out how it goes. Let me know, comment down below, let me know how it goes. And yeah, maybe if yours are confused as mine, we can use the same products and it will work. Even my hair is confused. But anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like this video, that will help my channel so much, guys, and please subscribe. Also, I am currently 11,000 subscribers and counting, and my goal is to reach 15,000 by the end of August. So come on, guys, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, so you do not miss out on any of my uploads. I have a lot of content that I have been planning for you guys. I've been getting my relaxer done pretty like around the corner. Okay, I just need to just pick out the date and go ahead and do it. So drop some video ideas that you guys want to see with my new relaxer. All right, and of course, yes, I'm going to do a video when I'm going to get my hair relaxed. A lot of you guys requesting that, and you guys know I'm not going to leave you guys out. Okay, so of course I'm going to do a video for you guys so you guys can come to the salon with me and see the whole process of it. All right, so get this baby under control. Okay. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.